Find angle x below. Now, for us to find the value of angle x here, let's look at this quadrilateral ABCD. That is a four-sided figure and is a cyclic quadrilateral. A quadrilateral where all the angles are at the circumference of the circle is a cyclic quadrilateral. Now, for a cyclic quadrilateral, we know that the opposite angles like this are equal. That is, if this is 105 externally now, this angle will also be 105. But that is not where I want us to go now. I want us to find this angle first. This is angle on a straight line. So this 105 plus this angle will give us 180 degrees. So 180 minus 105 will give us 75. So that means this angle is 75 degrees because sum of angle on the straight line is 180. Then now, let's look at this exterior angle of the quadrilateral. This is a cyclic quadrilateral, as I've said before. And this 95 degree is an exterior angle of this quadrilateral, this cyclic quadrilateral. That means exterior means one of the line is extended outward to form an external angle. So this external angle is equal to the opposite interior angle. So that means the whole of this angle here is going to be 95 degree. 95 degree. Don't forget the rule there that the exterior angle of a cyclic quadrilateral is equal to the opposite interior angle. So anytime you see an external angle on a cyclic quadrilateral, that external angle is equal to the opposite interior angle. So now, let's look at these equal lines. This chord is equal to this chord. Because of this mark here, it means that they are equal. So DC is equal to CB. They are both equal. So don't forget that rule now that states that equal chords subtends equal angle at the circumference of a circle. So that means this chord here has this angle. Don't forget a line and its opposite angle. So this line has this opposite angle, just like this line has this opposite angle here. So this line is equal to this line. So whatever this line makes as angle inside this triangle will be also what this line here will make in this triangle, because we said equal chords subtend equal angle at the circumference of a circle. So that means if this is angle A, this is also angle A. They are both equal because these chords that make the angles are also equal chords. So now for me to get the value of angle A, I simply divide 95 by 2 because these two are equal. So 95 divided by 2 will give us the value of A. So 95 divided by 2 is going to give us 47.5. 47.5. That is when we divide 95 by 2. So this angle is 47.5 and this angle is also 47.5. So now let's look at this triangle now. Let's add the three angles together. So 47.5, which is this angle, plus 75, which is this angle, 75, plus x, which is this third angle, x, is equal to 180. And what is the reason? Sum of angle in a triangle add up to 180. So these three angles now add up to 180 degrees. So 47.5 plus 75 is going to give us 122.5. And then plus x is equal to 180. From there, to get the value of x, we simply say 180 here. When this plus 122.5 comes to this side, it becomes minus 122.5. And from there, we can finally get the value of x as equal to 180 minus 122.5 will give us 57.5 as the value of angle X. And that's the final answer. Hope you got it fully. Please don't forget to like, share, and join for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.